Alas Polo Club Season 9 El Camino versus Jump. Sumanga to Busing nangitag kapasahan. Jersey number 27, jump shot, ay gigawas. Nice rebound by Laron. Busing, ayay ka, nakuha ang bola. Oops, ilugan. Nice one. Laron, bang! Oh, hindi si Laron, no? Nice shot by Laron. Sumanga, nangitag kapasahan. Pass by Busing to Sumanga, nangitag kapasahan. Tuara, Busing, 3 points. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Pass back, number 26. Tomeretso. Nice defense by Sumanga. Jersey number 27. Plastar. Pass to Sumanga. Uy, nice pass. Ay, defense. Number 7. So, mabay ka, foul! Muntikan pa na-counted. Foul Busing, jersey number 25.
First personal foul, Busing ka. 25 eh.
Nice rebound. Sumanga driven the ball. Pass sa gilid, Busing. Pass to number 6 to Sumanga for 3. Short. Nice rebound by Busing. Oops, muntikan. Jersey number 7. Again crossover na. Number 7 pa rin. Ning Tuyok. What a nice move. Laron sa gilid. Oy, gigawas. Nice rebound. Number 27. Sumanga to Busing, 3 points. Oy, wala. Bola sa pikas.
Out, number 27, Mr.
Sabanal.
Gidebol, ginoknok ni Mr. Dr. Roy Nama. Gipasa ang Mr. Laron, dribble, shoot.
Wala.
Rebound by Mr. Sabanal. Gidokdok ni Mr. Sumanga for 3. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Citro. Gidokdok.
Wala. Sumanga. Ay, wala. Yapon, malas. Pass break by Laron.
Okay, dribble to Laron to Mr. Francis to Mr. Nats. Carpio, yes.
Napasa. Laron. Ay, wala. Laron. Ay, wala.
Kumana din sa kasalan ay mapasalo lang. Wala kita na. Dipasa. Isa sa bunay. Isa sa benar. Isa sa Carpio.
Ay, kagwapo nga moves.
Lamaw na El Camino. Okay. Aranjes. Kita kebenaran. Tagalog. Kita kebenaran. Diluk-luk. Jatuh. Antum diluk-luk. Ay, wala. Okay. Dipasa. Jatuh. Okay. By the team member. That's a big wall. Okay. Sige boy. Ini saya nama. Kita nama di tengah-tengah. Wala yang pasal. Nanita. Okay. Bisa Tagalog. Wala kang yapon. Okay.
Back to back shot. Yes, sir. Nice rebound. Sabanal. Sumanga to Sabanal. Nice pass. Ay, sayang. Oy, Sumanga. Baysa.
Okay.
Nasa man eh.
Mr. Sir.
Ay, nice defense.
Good lang. Time out.
Time out, team. Job. Score 6-3 in favor sa Job. Sumanga, nangita kapasan. Sumanga, negosyo over na. Sumanga, pass sa Banal. Sa Banal, jump shot sa gilid. O wala. Nice rebound by Laron. Roy Nabs. Busing, number 26.
Okay, hindi mo Mr. Dondon Ontiveros. Siguro ba rin? Okay.
Laron, ay wala.
Balik na.
Busing, wala. Nice rebound.
Wala. Wala na yan, wala. Okay, bitawan na bola. Bitawan mo sa Banal. Hindi mo, okay. Bitiran mo na sa Banal. 4-3.
Wala yan.
Wala na yan. Kaya mo ba? Ay, foul. Okay. Foul by Mr. Sumana. Okay. Okay, hindi mo yung Arantes to. Arantes na gapon. Okay, foul. Foul by third team foul. Tika, okay, foul. Tika. Okay, nakuha mo rin sa Tagaro, yung dribble. Nangita ko sa kapataan, dribble ang dribble. Dribble ang dribble, di basa. Okay, foul. Foul by Mr. Sumana.
Roy Nabs.
Ibalik na sa Makabalo. Ibalik sa Makabalo. Makabalo nila eh. Okay,
Laron.
Okay.
Nice rebound, nice rebound.
Balik na. Score. 5-6. Okay, dalam bulan itu
Sa Banal. Sumanga. Sos, nakashot ra gyud.
2 points. Score 8-5. Kali mo lang pa, large po. Okay, hindi mo Mr. Dondon? Okay, balik ka Roy. Mr. Tagaro, 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Rebound. Mr. Tartio, gipasa. Kaya ganito.
Ay.
Out.
Bola pikas. El Camino ball.
25 seconds. Orang dipasang ke Mr. Tagaro ke Zero. Oh, bubalot. Okay. Jemput na. Okay, good. For 2 points, Mr. Tagaro.
Nice shot, nice shot.
Score 7-5. Up 7-8. Sorry. 7-8. Up, tumangan. Hindi mo tumangan. Kita kapasan. Kita kapasan. Bumalik.
Nice pass. Ah, kagwapo nga pasa.
10.
Time out. Time. And for the first quarter, score 7 against 10 in favor sa Team Job.
Mr. Energy. May hindi na hutian. Lari ko mo sa. Ligo tayo sa kapoy.
Time for the second quarter. Team El Camino versus Team Job.
Okay, pasa ka dito, Roldan. Okay, for 3.
Bang! Shot! The points!
Subahit.
Angas to Nangkel for 3. Wala, rebound by Baysa. Lock.
Okay, dan main lagi katan, ulang. Dipasa kan biar stepping.
Lance rebound the ball. Lance pa rin to Angas to Nangkel to Lance. Nice pass. Oy, nice pass. Kalimpong! Ay! Wala. Nice defense.
Ipasa ang dalaway. Wala. Ayan, nagbalik. Ayaw na.
Boseng Sonsa. 3 points. Oh, nice shot. 3 points. Juan Sonsa. Lance. Wala. Nice rebound by Nangkel. Angas ng Higalas.
Okay, okay, ay, dibalik. Okay, dibalik. Okay, Mr. Roland.
Nice shot.
15-10.
Ay, grabe nga depensa. Symbol.
Foul. 3-0. First personal foul. Bola sa El Camino. Kontra ni Mr. Roldan.
Nice block ni Kalimpong. Angas. Nice one by Angas. Back to back shot by Angas. Oy! Nangkel. Save the ball. Time out. Team job. Score 15-14 in favor sa team El Camino. Boseng Sonsa. Pass to Baisa. Baisa nangita kapasahan. Pass to Boseng. Well done. 3 points. Uy, wala. Ay, save the ball. Out kis Kalimpong. Symbol position. El Camino ball. Baisa. Oy, nice moves. Nice shot. Lance, babawi. Lance, ngita kapasahan. Lance to Angas. Angas to Kalimpong. Ay, wala. Malas si Boseng Kalimpong. Baisa. Uy. Good. Oy, nice shot. Time out again. Team job. Score 17-14 in favor sa team El Camino. Lance dribbling the ball. Lance. Oy, what a nice shot by Lance. Bitawi kayo. Baisa, nangita kapasahan. Pass, Boseng, gibalik. Pass sa Sonsa, 3. Ala, rebound by Kalimpong. Lance. Merecho, foul. Tuhod. Score 16-19 in favor pa rin sa team El Camino. Number 17. Pass to Boseng. Baisa. Oy, nice pass. Oy, nice pass by Baisa. Lance babawi ng 3. Short gamay. Rivera. Grabe angas mo depensa oh. Boseng Sunsa, 3 points. Bang! Passport. Nangkel, babawi ng 3. Wala. Score 24-16 in favor sa team El Camino.
Shot knocked on the ball. Machine.
Rivera, foul.
There's the ball. Foul.
14. Let's go, let's go. Sunsa sa malayo. Back to back shot. 3 points. Sunsa. Lance. Foul by Baisa.
5 seconds. The foul.
5 seconds to shoot.
Reza.
5 seconds to shoot. Lance. To Nangkel. Nangkel to Lance. Wanay oras. Kalimpong. Kalimpong. Ay, wala yun. Time of the second quarter. Score 27-16 in favor team El Camino. 4 free throw kay kulang ang player si Kobe.
First free throw, Kobe.
Iyay ka. Ay, duhara dito. Bola sa Tinza. Chongla. Chongla. Pass. Ay, ka. Dakpan. Kobe sa gilid. Foul by Tyron.
There's a foul.
Foul ay.
Jersey number. Foul. First team foul. Number 1 point. Lantaya.
Uy, habog ka kayo. Wala. 27-20 ang score.
Jersey number 8.
Symbol. Ay, ka. Kobe sa gilid. Bang! Nice one by Kobe. Back to back shot. Here's the number 11. Pass to number 20. Double team. Roy Nabs do Meretso. What a nice move by Roy Nabs. Uy, foul. Foul by Roy.
Foul jersey number 8. Second team foul.
Chongla, wala. Roy Nabs.
Shot knocked down to 10. Roy.
Nice pass, Tyron. Nabuyan ang bola. Nako ni jersey number 11. Number 11. Mo diretso. Oy, nice moves oh. What a nice moves by jersey number 11. Chongla, nangita kapasan. Pass to Boseng. Boseng to number 17. Jump shot, nice shot.
Mabalo. Torres. Scoring a play.
Rivera, Tomera ng 3, short. Nice rebound.
Shot clock
Uy, foul. Muntikan pa ng kaunti do.
and there's a foul. One point. Torres. Another 1 point. So now 2 points.
Chongla to Boseng to Meretso, wala. Boseng pa rin. Uy, wala yun. Rest rebound. Roy Nabs. Uy, guwapo kay ko. Nice rebound. Ay, ay ka. Pass break. Ay, kusog kayo. Bola sa El Camino. Roy Nabs. Number 20. Number 20. Uy, nice one. Nice pass. Rivera sa ilalim. Uy, grabe. Ay, shot. Rivera. Number 8. Pass sa Chongla. Chongla to Busing. Busing, mulusot. Pass by Kobe. Kobe. Uy, wala. Rebound by Busing. Nice rebound. Oh, nice shot.
Jersey number 25.
Roy Nabs sa gilid. Babawi. Wow, nice shot by Roy Nabs. Chongla. Chongla dribbling the ball. Pass by Busing. Busing to number 8. Babawi ng 3. Short. Nice rebound by Kobe. Kobe. Foul. Ay, muntikan pa na-counted.
Foul on jersey number 8. 36 seconds. 1 point, Calderon.
Foul.
And there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 8. One point.
Chongla. Chongla. Nice one.
Bola,
By rebounder na.
Rivera for the winner.
Ayay ka. Ayay ka. Nice defense. Kobe. Pass number 8. Number 8 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 17. Pass sa Chongla. Kobe.
Calderon.
Kay wala gyud gyapon malas.
1-8. 55 seconds.
Tyron. Tyron. Tyron to Roy Nabs.
Roy.
Roy Nabs.
Chongla 5.
3 seconds.
Jumbo.
Ay, jambol.
Symbol.
Time out. Team Job score 38-27 in favor sa Team El Camino. Number 11.
5 to 6.
Pass by number 30 Laron. Lang saban ni. Kasi gisaban. Ay si Roy.
1 minute, 18 seconds.
Chongla. Nice pass. Foul counted. Nice pass by Chongla.
Last the count, foul on jersey number.
Nice rebound by Tyron. Ay ay ka nabuyan. Ay 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 ay. Laron pick. Laron. Ay wala. Nice rebound by Tyron. Nice shot. Chongla. Ay wala.
Second to play.
Tyron. Tyron defense by number 17. Chongla. Pass by number 8. Ay, ay sayang.
There's a foul, 7 seconds.
Pagunta na lang. Asal pati, bisa mawala ka. Oh. Yay.
inbound. 35 seconds. Shot clock down the goal.
Nice shot. 18 seconds. Boseng. Boseng for 3. Wala. Nice rebound. Ay, sayang. Foul. Dol. Datong kuhan, Dol. Idot lang, idot lang. Idot lang.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot.
Remaining time, 10 seconds.
Uni oras.
5.
Number 20. Wala. Ay, na-rebound. Nice one, Boseng. Ay, time. Score 42-30 in favor sa team El Camino. Time for the final quarter. Team El Camino versus Jab. Lance. Tetera ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Sunsa. Boseng. Nakuha ang bola. Nangkel. Nangkel to Sumanga. Sumanga crossover. Sumanga. Malas yun. Ganihar gina siya. Number 7 to number... Ano, pero lagi number. Pag number. Ay, wala. Ay, wala.
Foul jersey number 2.
Symbol, symbol. Foul, foul, foul.
Foul jersey number 7.
Boseng, Roldan. Matik na. Ay, ka. Shot. Uy, wala. Rebound by Kalimpong. Nangkel to Sumanga. Sumanga to Kalimpong. Kalimpong. Kalimpong sa gilid. Ay, wala yun. Ah, grabe. Lupigan kasi lang rebound. Nagko kayo. Sorry. Score 42-30 in favor sa team El Camino. Boseng Sunsa. Pass to Boseng Roldan. Roldan pass to Boseng Sunsa. Sunsa to number 7. Pass to Roldan. Roldan ginubol timana. Foul by Kalimpong again. Nice defense. Number 7. Nice block. Sumanga. Sumanga to Lance. Lance to Sumanga. Ah, grabe ka malas magiging kay Sumanga nga. Number 7. Oy, sayang. Nice rebound by Nangkel. Ay. Sorry. Sub. Baiza dribbling the ball. Baiza. Defense by Lance. Nice defense by Lance. Save the ball. Oops. Sumanga. Uy, wala. Ay, nice defense. Time out, team Jabs. Time to the timeout. Uy. Roldan. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Sumanga. Nice one. Lance. Ay! Malas gid sila bay. Malas, malas. Alanganin, nasad kayo to. Late na, late.
Advantage. Advantage.
Foul,
Foul,
foul.
Lucy number 22. Lucky foul.
Ay, nabuyan. Baba ra. Sorry, 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 sorry. Ay, defense na sad. Kuha.
Alan 6. Shot clock 10.
3 seconds.
3 seconds. Violation.
Lance, tetera ng 3. Wala. Oops, sapit naghalok. TL, TL. Bola sa rin.
Shot clock 14. Final quarter. Control.
Ay, ay. Good, good defense. Lance. Foul.
Foul. Jersey number 0.
Let's go. So mga to Lance. Lance susubok ulit ng 3. Ay, wala gud gihapon. Symbol.
Shot clock 14. Reset for 14.
Kobe.
Hello.
Kobe, sumabay ka. Nice one. Time out. Team El Camino. Score 42-32 in favor sa El Camino pa rin. Labang na. After mo 8 seconds ron.
Arturo. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. Shot clock 5.
Roll down. Wala. Ay, na-rebound. Gatag, gatag. Kobe. Ay, alanganin. Alim. Oy! Ano unsa? Uy! Wala si Kobe ba eh? Number 1. Uy, defense line. Nice one. Nice defense. Ay, ay ka. Sumanga. To Lance. Ay! Sayang, sayang kayo. Sayang. 42-34 ang score.
One point, Kobe.
Lugi bisa rebound. Nice one. Tris. Uy, yay kabing ilang bola nga walo eh. Time out job. Score 43-34.
Isa-isa ang
Lamang pa rin ang El Camino.
One eight waiting. Tablang down 14.
Tiil. Foul.
And there's offensive foul. Jersey number 07, around 6.
1 minute and 4 seconds. Sumanga to Lance. Lance for 3. Wala, malas yun. Malas sila.
Foul jersey number 16.
Symbol.
Rodan.
Defense. Ay, defense yun. Oh my God. Isa pa. Lance. Ah,
Foul jersey number 7. Tagaro. First personal foul. Warning for the penalty.
Lance. Susubok ulit. Ay, wala yun. Malas.
40.
Seconds na. Wala na. Oy, nice one.
Steal.
Kobe. Defense.
30 seconds.
Wala na oras ay. Seconds na lang.
25.
Wala na.
Tablang 14. 2 points. Ronda.
Wala na. Time na. Score. 45-34.
10.
Wala na maganda. Good. Bang. Ganihan lagi pang dimalas. Wala lagi paboras mga bola. Wala yun. 45-34. Winner, Team El Camino. Congrats. Nice game.
45-34.
Team Spartans waiting. Jackie Jones.